Hi, Ron from Clarity. This video is one of our Marketplace Setup series of videos. In this video, we'll cover setting up our user and vendor accounts. Creating accounts and users are typically done in one of three ways, either via an import from an ERP or CRM integration, via the admin UI, or through a spreadsheet import. This video will be demoing importing via spreadsheet. A quick look into our import file, you can see that I've created 6 new user records with their associated accounts, which we call customers. We've specified the type of the record, so I have 3 vendors and 3 users. We've also got 2 email fields, one for the user's email record and one for the customer's main contact email, which could be a different address. The import not only creates the user, defined here in the username column, but also their associated customer record specified by the customer name field. So let's look at the system as it appears in a base installation. Under Accounts, we'll click on the Users and Customers tabs and see that other than the out-of-the-box admin account, we have no users or customer accounts in the system. Well, let's fix that. Clicking on Import, I can drag and drop or click Add, navigate to my Marketplace Setup folder, and find my import file for users and accounts. I select and open my import file, and the field mapping modal pops up. It will try to automatically map any column headings to their matching fields if it finds them. Now, I built this myself, so it pre-matched most of the fields. But the last column you can see named Blank Info didn't have a match. So if that column has data that I want to import, I need to navigate to the appropriate field where I want to store that data. Clicking in the field, it brings up the schema tree where I can click and navigate forward and back through the tree until I find the field that I want to use. Also, like in my case, there is no data to import, so I could just leave it blank and it won't import that column's data. Once I'm good with the mappings, I click Import. At the bottom, once it's complete, a notification pops up letting me know that our 6 records were imported successfully. Clicking on Users, we can see that our user records have been created, 3 customer and 3 vendors. Clicking on the customers, we can see that the associated customer accounts for those users were also created. We also have our admin UI that walks through a basic wizard to manually create users or customers one at a time, as well as using the same UI we'd use to edit a user record going forward. So in summary, that's a quick look at setting up our new Clarity Marketplace by importing our new customers, users, and vendors. Thanks for watching.